How to fix Venezolario app not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is move into the App Store if you're using iOS device. In the search bar, search for the application Venezolario. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're facing the issue in this app. If that's the case, tap on update and update the app. Once you have got the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device and move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Venezolario and then move into it. Now click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.